in the front, all this has to come out. All the bumpers, everything completely, and then we remove the intercooler, the radiator, and then all that kind of nice fun stuff. And the engine has to walk out right out here. And then when this bad boy is out, we have the spare engine there that we're gonna, you know, have the injectors and do all the upgrades, glow plugs, harness, because now is the time. And then once all that we are happy with all what we did and how it looks, then we start the process, the reverse process, putting everything back the way they came out.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
But
It'll work.
that's the plan, and we will bring you up to date as we progress with the work. Because right now we're just talking and we don't show much, but hopefully a little bit later on we can see way more than what you guys see right now.
I go away for 5 minutes, and oh my God, look what happened. Where's all my parts? Oh, there they are. Lawrence, what do you think? Will we get it out tomorrow?
Well, let me think about it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, for sure we're
Yeah,
gonna get it out tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's look at the progress we did today. So it's only disconnecting the transmission, removing the harness, unbolting the engine mounts, and the beast gonna come right out. And she's gonna be really lonely, you know, because she's gonna be naked.
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, good
I
day.
can't wait for tomorrow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Supper time now.
Yeah, it's time to go make some dinner. Well, actually warm up some dinner because the dinner is made, and drink some water because I was a bad boy today. I didn't drink water, and I should have drink at least.
I have lots of water in here.
So
Yeah.
yeah. But
Okay.
yeah, no, good progress. I'm happy.
Yeah.
You know.
Me
We
too.
did good. So
Well, tomorrow.
tomorrow it's another day.
Yep. Well, we're
You
getting
see
there.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Before, when I did this to you,
Yeah.
you remember when I lifted this one up, it was empty.
Yes.
You see how the oil is coming out now?
Yep. Yep. That was
Because the pump
was broken,
yes.
and the pump and
See,
you.
look at that.
Oh
Look.
yeah. Yeah. So that's what
Now-
it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, when everything is working, right?
Yeah.
So
You
now
need
I
a,
would need
a bin. Do you need a small bin? I can get you a small
yeah,
one.
so I can put this guy in it.
Yeah.
Here she comes out. That's the oil cooler. You see what I mean? How
Yeah.
that is full with oil there?
And the last time we did that,
It
was
all
empty. Yep.
All dry.
well, she's out.
So freaking tight, right?
It was so tight squeeze.
Yeah.
And well, there's my transmission.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big empty hole now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Till next time.
Well, no turning back now. I'm going to clean up a lot of the harnesses, tape up. You can see there's a lot of places that have been broken, touching, pieces missing. So I'm going to clean all that up and make it nice and neat. I don't think I'll do what Chrome did and repaint the inside and paint the engine, because really nobody's going to see it. And so the engine is out, everything's ready to go. So Lauren will be rebuilding the engine tomorrow, and maybe a day or so it'll be back in, and everything will be connected up again. So I'm really pleased. of the progress so far.